fun. Hello. Hello is a bright and cheerful color that is so fun, synonymous with happiness and positivity. It can also symbolize knowledge and wisdom. That is often associated with nature and environment. It can also symbolize growth, renewal, and harmony. This color that is often associated with sexuality and stability. I love my country and I am proud of